Hello everyone. So today I just received the brake disc and I'm gonna show you how you can change the brake disc of your Nissan Tiida. As you can see, we received the new one. So now the first thing that you're gonna do, you can turn your tire whether to left or right. So you turn right, as you can see from my car here, and then make sure you put the end brake. You put something on the tire so that it cannot slide when you jack it up. Alright, so then before you jack it up your car, you have to lose the nut of your tire. So it's gonna be loose before you lift it up, unless it's gonna become difficult for you to open it. So now after you jack it up with your jack, you have to put your spare tire for safety, because you never know your jack is good or not. Okay, so the car now is up already. The next step is to open your tire. Very easy. Second bolt. That's why you have to lose before you jack it up. It's out. Then third one, oh, it's tight a little bit, but it's gonna go out. Then you have to lose the fourth one before you remove the third one. Okay, it's tight a little bit, so we use the spanner. So the number of the spanner is 21. Okay, you can try with your hand. Okay, it's going through. Is it to be removed? Okay, it's out. Okay, the last one. And then we remove the tire, which is very easy. Okay, so I'll show you next step. So we remove the tire. The next step is you have to lose this bolt here, remove this and that one. We're gonna hang this caliper, and then after that we have another bolt to remove all of it here. Okay, I know you cannot see it clear, but if you go inside you can see it. You can see it. This and another one down there here. Okay, so stay tuned. Alright, so now after remove the bolt here, now we lose this one. Please guys, don't tighten this bolt so much. Okay, yeah, so once we remove this, we're gonna remove the caliper. Okay guys, so now I remove the caliper out, so it's gonna be easy to remove the brake disc. As you can see, wow, so pretty bad, and you will see by yourself. You see, it's finished. So it caused a lot of noise. Yeah, something like that. If you hear the voice like that, those kind of noise, know that your brake disc has finished. So now let's grab the new one, put it there. But before we put it, you have to clean out here, degrease a little bit. Okay, stay tuned. Stay tuned. We have our degrease here, so we can spray a little bit. Yeah, like that. Yeah, that's the degrease. Okay. Okay, guys. So now we have a new brake disc here. We grab it and we put over there. Okay. All right. So now it's very easy. You can just put it. Yeah. So that's a new one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some bolt so that it can align just a little bit. Yeah, like that. Can put some, can hold, so that we can clean the caliper first. Unless it will come out. Yeah, very easy. Okay, stay there. So now we want to clean this. You have to clean here and there. Have a lot of dust. Okay, stay tuned, guys. Okay, guys, so now after cleaning the caliper, I just put it back and screw it just very slowly until you finish it. And then after you finish, you back the brake pad and other calipers on top of it, and then done with it. Yeah, it's very simple. So if you have this kind of problem, easy to solve at your home, very easy to change, everything is accessible, you can buy online. Okay, stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, so now we put back the caliper and the pins here. So now we're gonna close it. Very easy, very easy. So yeah, must be flexible. And we're gonna bleed off a little bit and push back the piston. So now we put everything back. We tie this pin here, don't tie too much, and down here the caliper is good, it's aligned so well. So now we remove this bolt so that it can be easy to put our tire back and ready to go. Okay, stay tuned. Now we put the tire back and we tight it, and then after tight we remove that spare tire for safety, put the jack down, and everything good to go. So yeah, as you can see here, okay, it's tight. Move this tire out, and then we put the car down. Alright, guys, so now we put the car down, everything is good, but you have to remember we bleed off the brake fluid, so you have to check the brake fluid is half, so we have to top up. Okay, let's top up now. Okay, so now we top up slowly, unless you will overfill. Okay, and then you shake a little bit to know the level. Okay, we can adjust a little bit. And check the level again, shake to No, where is it? Okay, so enough. Put back in. No, no, we tight it. Okay, ready to go. We switch on the car, we check it, everything. Yeah, thank you so much guys for watching my video. Please don't hesitate to subscribe if this video is helpful. See you to the next one. Bye bye.